My name is Cathy Sweet. I am the logistics supervisor at Vaderstad Industries. At Vaderstad, there are a lot of women in different roles. We've got women in engineering, in the warehouse, in manufacturing, in welding. I like that you can see a finished product of how what you have been a part of grows and comes to life. Whether you're bringing parts in, ordering parts, assembling, welding, you've had a part in building a product, and you get to see what that looks like at the end of the day.
My name is Stephanie Leach, and I work as an assembly tech at Väderstad. The manufacturing industry could continue hiring and promoting people to do the jobs that are good at doing the jobs, regardless of gender or any other physical factors. If you can do the job and you're good at it, come do the job.
My name's Jamie Atrew, and I'm a welder here at Väderstad in the East Wing Bay. I've worked at Väderstad now for almost a year, and this is actually my first big manufacturing job. I just worked at small shops before I worked here. I really enjoy how valued my work is. I really do know days I'm not here, it does set us back. So to see how valued my work is and how big of a part each of us play in is a pretty big deal.
I needed something different, and I wanted to try something out of my field, and I thought this was interesting. I would tell young women to just give it a try. I think I would just tell them don't be scared. Anyone, if you're a man or a woman, I think anyone can do the job.